Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're going to draw a lobster. First, let's draw the head. It's like a little small cone, like this, and two brown eyes. Start making the clouds. Just like this. And like a circle, but you cut it and done. Don't forget the antennae. And let's start building the body in segment. We're gonna make one. Let's make another one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we can make the tail, of course. Just like this. Very easy, right? For the segments, actually, you can make as many as you want. And now we're gonna draw the legs. Just make lines and make a turn and then go back. That's how you draw the legs. Now we're gonna finish the eyes. Because it's too small, we're just gonna make circle. And then there's a little circle inside those circles. And then we're gonna color it black. Just like the pupils like this. And it's done. Now we're ready to color. We're gonna color it in red. Just the outer and left the inside white, because later on we're gonna color it in light pink, just like this. For the legs, red, and we're gonna layer the antennae, legs and tail with darker shade of red. And then the rest we're gonna fill all the white part with pink. And we can fix if there's anything that you want to fix. And this is our lobster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.